Okay, this is the Socrative tutorial part 2. This is showing you what the student sees. As I explained in the previous video, this powerful application has the ability to assess student project progress along different types of questions, multiple choice, true, false, yes, no, even open-ended. So let's look at what the student sees. You can do a Google search for Socrative, and I've already set up a test form. So I'm going to click on student. Okay, once I click on student, I just simply type in my room number, which is Scott E9. E9, and join the room. So I see there, I've joined the room. Please wait for teacher to start activity, start quiz. So I have to do it on a different device. So that's how you have to do it. It has to be on a different device. So I'm going to say teacher pace quiz, and there we go. Okay, now we've got to please enter your first and last name. So I just simply I'm going to say Mary Smith and submit. Now this is just a sample that I created. I'm just going to go through it as a sample. So we're going to send hide live, send next student. So now it needs to wait for students to send next question. Okay, now I clicked on that on my other one on my phone, and here we are. Okay, so this is just a math question. I'm just gonna put any answer down and see what happens. Good job, guess the right one. Gives immediate feedback. Then I hit done. And we're going to go to the next question, waiting for student to teacher to. So on the teacher end, you just send the next student to a question. So I'm using my iPhone, so it goes across any device. So I'll just go ahead and just click that one. Wrong answer. And then it tells what the correct answer is. And then done. So there is a prompt that the questions will continue to come without me having to send next question. So you can just choose that choice. But right now I'm hitting next questions on my phone. So this is the next question, 4 of 8. I didn't realize I had those many. This is just a demo. And we're going to go to next question. And it's very engaging for the students, so they get to see immediate feedback. That's what's really important. And good job, right answer, done. And we're going to send next question. So what I do, I click on send next question on my phone, and it gets me to the very next question. And that was the wrong answer. It tells what the correct answer was. So this was just a review that I just simply copied and pasted some questions that I had found or created, or you can just type it in. So that's done here. And send next question. So if the students want to pass the phone around, they could still do that and still take the assessment with their name. So it lets you go to the next student. Okay, now we've got end activity. So activity is completed. Please wait for the teacher to start a new next activity. So I'm going to end activity because it's done. And it is also a prompt on my phone to email report. So if I click email report, so the student has determined what they missed, and the report is emailed to the teacher, letting them know exactly what their grade was and how many they missed, what they missed, and the answers they had chosen. Very, very good app. Let me know if you have any questions. Please subscribe to my channel. Let's see even more dynamic applications.